My squads have already claimed thousands of innocent souls on Earth.
And I would have claimed millions.
By now, you'd be behind bars on display in a zoo.
If those bars could keep me away from you, Sheeva, I would welcome them.
Silence!
What is your report?
2 of Earth's best warriors have already been taken. Cabal and Striker.
Tell me, did you make them beg for their lives before you destroyed them?
But Master, I thought if I let them...
I have no use for excuses! Rain. This will never happen again.
It will never happen again.
It is true, this will never happen again. It is also true I need a new general. You can die in duty or by my hand. The choice is yours.
Centaurs are known for their hunting prowess. As your general, I will personally hunt down every human soul and spare no one.
Motaro can't be trusted. Long ago, I proved myself as the personal protector of Queen Sindel. Your orders are mine to follow.
The energies they waste with their sniveling, I would use to capture souls for you.
No. You are all far too impetuous for such important work. You are my new general, Queen Sindel. Unless anyone else has a different point of view.